I wanted to share with you this beautiful, beautiful book that I am lucky enough to have found this summer. It's by Sarah B. and it's British Wildflowers. And so there's over 1,500 illustrations in this book and they are absolutely stunning. So it's from 1895, this book. And I'll just show you some of the plates, which are beautiful. So they are, would have all been hand engraved illustrations and then printed in the black, really fine line, amazing illustration detail, and then hand coloured. And so just beautiful, and so many gorgeous species. And I had no idea there were so many different types of each flower. So those are all ragworts. So many different ones, just so fine, the illustration. You can see the scale, like tiny, tiny illustrations. And in this is just purely for identification purposes, this book. So he writes on this side a description of the leaf types and petals. Just lovely, lovely, gorgeous. Can't stop looking at this book. So this has been really helpful in choosing which flowers to feature in the embroideries. Oh, some nice honeysuckle in the bed straw. I love these bed straw plants. You find them in the hedgerows, along roadsides and on heaths and everywhere. These ones. Cow parsleys. So many types of cow parsleys. Wild carrots, parsnips, wild parsnips. A lot of... I would never eat any umbelliferous plants because some of them are very poisonous, like hemlock. And water dropworts, a lot of these are really deadly poisonous. These beautiful ones. Then these, we've got edible red currants. Such beautiful illustrations. Oh, love his depictions of these dog roses in rowan trees. Blackberries. So many different types of blackberries. Who knew? Arctic bramble, stone bramble, dewberry, wild strawberry. Some nice vetches and some sloes here. Great for picking and putting in your gin and then leaving till Christmas. Bit of sugar. Some more vetches, a lot of vetches. Clovers. Ooh. One last plate. Anyway, just beautiful. I hope you enjoyed sharing this book.